Hello everyone, myself Dr. Ravindran Khade. This is BSc Part 3rd, Semester 5th. Here today we have to discuss the nerve physiology, unit number 3, the nerve physiology and chemical coordination. From that unit, we already discussed the structure of neuron and then types of neuron and then function of neuron. Today we have to discuss the neurotransmitter. Let's see. First of all, the neurotransmitter are that is also called as signal molecules. They are present in nervous system and concerned with the transmission of impulses from one neuron to another neuron. ओके म्हणजे ह्या नर्वस सिस्टीम मध्ये हा प्रेझेंट आहे आणि प्रेझेंट तर आहे परंतु दे आर कन्सर्न दॅट वर्क इज ट्रान्सफर दी impulses from one neuron to another neuron. More than 50 chemical substances have been proved to function as a synaptic transmitter. म्हणजे 50 केमिकल प्रूव्ह केलेलं आहे ते. Neurotransmitter are endogenous chemical that transmit signal across a synapse from one neuron to another target neuron. Neurotransmitters are packaged into synaptic vesicles clusters beneath the membrane in the axon terminal on the pre-synthetic side of synapse. Neurotransmitters are released into and diffused across the synaptic cleft where they bind specific receptor in the membrane on post-sympathetic side of the synapse. म्हणजे न्यूरोट्रान्समीटर ज्यावेळेस रिलीज होतात तिथून impulses रिलीज होतात and diffuse across the synaptic cleft where they bind a specific receptor म्हणजे त्यांना जिथपर्यंत ही इन्फॉर्मेशन पोहोचायची किंवा impulses पोहोचायची तिथपर्यंत ते specific receptor जातात ते the membrane on the post-synaptic side of the synapse. Many neurotransmitters are synthesized from plentiful and simple precursors such as amino acids which are readily available from the diet, which require only a small number of biosynthetic steps to convert. Neurotransmitters play a major role in shaping everyday life and function. Acetylcholine. Acetylcholine is an organic molecule that acts as a neurotransmitter. Acetylcholine हे neurotransmitter होतं organic molecule आहे sorry it is an organic molecule and play as a role as a neurotransmitter in many organisms including human म्हणजे आपल्यामध्येही acetylcholine हे neurotransmitter सारखं म्हणजे impulses जे पास करायचे from one neuron to another neuron हे ट्रांसफर होण्याचं काम कोण करते acetylcholine करते. It is an ester of acetic acid and choline. Acetylcholine is one of many neurotransmitters in the autonomic nervous system. Acetylcholine is one of the many neurotransmitters in the autonomic nervous system. It acts on both the peripheral nervous system and central nervous system. They act करते दोन्ही याच्यावर peripheral nervous system and central nervous system and it is the only neurotransmitter used in the motor division of the somatic nervous system. Acetylcholine is also the principal neurotransmitter in all autonomic ganglions. Okay. Acetylcholine is synthesized in certain neurons by the enzyme choline acetyl transferase from the compound of choline and acetylcholine CoA. The cholinergic neurons are capable of producing acetylcholine. An example of central choline area is the nucleus. The basal is of minor in the basal forebrain. The enzyme acetylcholinesterase convert the acetylcholine into the inactive metabolite choline and acetate. This enzyme is abundant in the synaptic cleft and its role in the rapidly clearing free acetylcholine from synapse is essential for proper muscle function. Certain neurotoxins work by inhibiting acetylcholinase, thus the leading to excess acetylcholine and the neuromuscular junction cause paralysis of the muscle needed for breathing and stopping the heartbeat. ओके म्हणजे सर्टन ते न्यूरोटॉक्सिन जे आहे वर इनहिबिट करते ॲसिटोकोलिन that leads to excess acetylcholine and the neuromuscular junction cause paralysis of the muscles needed for breathing and stopping the heartbeat. In cardiac tissue, acetylcholine neurotransmission has an inhibitory effect which lowers the heart rate. However, acetylcholine also behaves as an excitatory neurotransmitter at neuromuscular junction in skeletal muscle. Neurotransmitter, site of action and type of inavailable. Okay. ॲसिटोकोलिन जे आहे तर स्केलेटल मसल न्यूरोमस्क्युलर जंक्शन ॲटॉमिक नर्वस सिस्टीम ganglion sympathetic, pre and post ganglion parasympathetic, excitatory and activity type of activity जसे excitatory or inhibitory दोन्ही neurotransmitter norepinephrine most post-sympathetic CNS excitatory or inhibitory glutamic acid CNS excitatory gamma amino butyric acid GABA gamma amino butyric acid central nervous system action असते ती inhibitory आणि ऑल द मग ते सेरोटोनिन म्हणा तुम्ही डोपामिन म्हणा नेस्ट्रोक्शन म्हणा ह्याचे सेंट्रल नर्वस सिस्टम आणि inhibitory ऍक्शन आहे dopamine dopamine 3,4 dihydroxy phenylamines. Dopamine is a hormone and neurotransmitter of the catecholamine and in the phenethylene family that play a number of important roles in the human brain and body. It is an amine that formed by removing a carboxyl group from a molecule of L-dopa, mean that is the dihydroxy phenyl alamine. In the brain, dopamine function as a neurotransmitter. Then मध्ये dopamine release chemical release करते ती by nerve cell to send the signal to the other nerve cell. Dopamine म्हणजे dihydroxy phenyl alamines मेन फंक्शन असं आहे की ते ब्रेन मध्ये न्यूरोट्रांसमीटर म्हणून काम करते. ब्रेन includes several distinct dopamine receptors, one of which play a major role in rewarding motivation behavior. Most type of the reward increases the level of the dopamine in the brain and a variety of addictive drugs increase the dopamine neuronal activity. Other brain dopamine systems are involved in motor control and in controlling the release of several other important hormones. Outside the nervous system, dopamine functions in several parts of the body as a local chemical messenger. Okay, and in the blood vessel, it is inhibit norepinephrine release and acts as a vasodilator. In the kidney, it increases sodium excretion and urine output. In the pancreas, it reduces insulin production. In digestive system, it reduces gastrointestinal motility and protect intestinal mucosa. And in the immune system, it reduces the activity of lymphocytes. With the exception of blood vessel, dopamine in each of his peripheral system has a paracrine function. It is synthesized locally and exerts its effects on cells that are collected near the cell that release it. Several important diseases of the nervous system are associated with dysfunctioning of dopamine system. Parkinson disease, uh, degenerative condition causing tremor and motor impairment has been related to the loss of dopamine secreting neurons in the midbrain are called as substania nigra. Uh, there is evidence the schizophrenia involves highly altered level of dopamine activity and antipsychotic drugs that are frequently used to treat it have a primary effect of attenuating dopamine activity, attention deficit hyperactivity disorder, and restless leg syndrome are also believed to be associated with decreased dopamine activity. GABA means gamma aminobutyric acid. Is the chief inhibitory neurotransmitter in the mammalian central system. Okay, it play a principal role in producing neuronal excitability ability throughout the nervous system. In human, GABA means that is the gamma aminobutyric acid is also directly responsible for regulation of muscle tone. Gamma aminobutyric acid was first synthesized in 1883 and was first known only as a plant and micrometabolic product. Okay, in 1950, however, the GABA was discovered to be an integral part of the mammalian central nervous system. GABA does not penetrate the blood-brain barrier. It is synthesized in the brain. It is synthesized from glutamate using the enzyme L-glutamic acid decarboxylase and pyridoxal phosphate as a cofactor. Gamma is converted back to the glutamate by a metabolic pathway called GABA shunt. This process converts the glutamate, the principal excitatory neurotransmitter, into the principal inhibitory neurotransmitter. In vertebrate, GABA acts at inhibitory synapses in the brain by binding to specific transmembrane receptor in the plasma membrane. Okay, of both the pre as well as post synthetic neuronal process. This binding causes the opening of ion channel that allow the flow of either negatively charged chloride ions into the cell or positively charged potassium ion out the cell. This action results in negative changes in the transmembrane potentially usually causing hyperpolarization. Two general classes of GABA receptor are known as GABA A, and in which the receptor part of the ligand gated ion channel complex. GABA B, that is metamorphic receptors, which are the G protein coupled receptor that open or close ion channel via intermediaries. In synaptic diplegia in human, GABA absorption become impaired, nervous damage from the condition, and motor neuron lesion which led to hypertonia of the muscles signaled by those nerves that can no longer absorb the GABA. Serotonin, it is another neuro neurotransmitter. Biochemically, it is derived from the tryptophan. Serotonin is primarily found in the gastrointestinal tract, inflated, and the central nervous system of animal, including human. It is popularly proved to be contribute to feeling of well-being and happiness. Approximately 90% of human body's total serotonin is located in the enterocommune cell in the gastrointestinal tract, where it is used to regulate the intestinal movements. Reminder that in serotogenic neuron of the central nervous system, where it has various functions. This include the regulation of mood, appetite and sleep. म्हणजे याच्यामुळे रेग्युलेशन ऑफ जे मूड जे आहे आपलं मूड झालं ॲपेटिट झालं अँड स्लीप. Serotonin also has some cognitive function including the memory and learning. Modulation of serotonin at synapses is proved to be a major action of several classes of pharmacological antidepressant. Serotonin secreted from the enterochromaffin cell eventually find its way out of a tissue into the blood. There is actively taken up by blood plate which store it. When the plates bind to a clot, they release serotonin, where it serves as vasoconstrictors and help to regulate homeostasis and blood clotting. Serotonin is also a growth factor for some type of cell, which may give a role in wound healing. There is there are various serotonin receptors. Serotonin is metabolized mainly to 5-HIAA, chiefly by the liver. Metabolism involves the first oxidation by monoamine oxidation corresponding the aldehyde. This is followed by the oxidation of aldehyde dehydrogenated to 5-HIAA, the indole acetic acid derivatives. The latter is then excreted by the kidneys. One type of tumor called carcinoid sometimes secrete large amount of serotonin into the blood, which causes various forms of carcinoid syndrome of flushing. The potential cause of flushing carcinoid syndrome includes bradykinase, prostaglandins, uh, chakinins, substances P and histamines. Because serotonin growth promoting effect on cardiac myocytes or a serotonin secreting carcinoid tumor may cause tricuspid valve disease syndrome due to the proliferation of myocytes on the wall. Then another, that is the epinephrine. We can say that the adrenaline or 3,4-trihydroxy N methyl phenylethylamine. Methyl Epinephrine is a hormone and a transmitter, another neurotransmitter. Okay. Epinephrine and norepinephrine are two separate but related hormones secreted by the medulla of adrenal gland. They are also produced at the endos of sympathetic nerve fiber, where they serve as a chemical mediator for conveying the nerve impulses to effector organs. The word adrenaline is used to denote increased activation of the sympathetic system associated with the energy and excitement of fight, or we can say that the flight responses. The influences of adrenaline is mainly limited to a metabolic effect and bronchodilation effect on organ divide of direct sympathetic uh, inversion. In chemical terms, epinephrine is one of a group of monoamines called the catecholamines. It is produced in some neuron of the central nervous system and in the chromaffin cell of adrenal medulla, from the amino acid to phenylalanine and tyrosine. Increased epinephrine secretion is observed in pheochromocytomata, hypogonadism, glycemia, myocardia, infection, and to a lesser degree in begin essential familiar tumors. A general increase in symptomatic neural activity is usually accomplished by increased adrenal secretion, but there is a selectively during hypoxia and hypoglycemia when the ratio adrenal to neuro or adrenal is considered to increase. Therefore, must be some autonomy of the adrenal medulla from the sympathetic system. Low or absent concentration of epinephrine can be seen in autonomic neuro pathway or falling adrenal economy. Failure of the adrenal cortex, as with adhesion diseases, can suppress epinephrine secretion as the activity of the synthetase enzyme. Vinyl N-methylamine N-methylyl transfer depend on the high concentration of cortisol that drain from the cortex to the medulla. Adrenaline is synthesized in the medulla. It is produced in the medulla of the adrenal glands in an enzymatic pathway convert the amino acid tricine into a series of intermediate and ultimately adrenaline. Tricine is the first oxidizing to L-dopa, which is subsequently decarboxylated to give dopamine. Oxidation give norepinephrine. The final step in adrenaline biosynthesis is the methylation of the primary amine of noradrenaline. This reaction is catalyzed by the enzyme phenyl ethanol amine N-methyl transferase, which utilize the S-adenosylmethionine as the methyl donor, while the PNMT is found primarily in the systole of the endocrine cell of the adrenal medulla. It has been detected at low level in both the heart and brain. Okay, then norepinephrine is all about the epinephrine. Then norepinephrine, it is a catecholine with multiple role, including those at hormone and a neurotransmitter. This is another name, that is a 4,5 beta phenylethylamines. It is a hormone and neurotransmitter responsible for the vigilance concentration in the contrast to its most chemically similar to the hormone similar to the dopamines, which is responsible for the conjugative alternates. The area of the body that produces or are affected by norepinephrine are decreases and noradrenergies. The term noradrenalysis and norepinephrine are interchangeable, with noradrenaline being the common name is the most part of the word. However, the US National Library Medicine has promoted norepinephrine as the favorite name. Norepinephrine is synthesized from dopamine by dopamine beta hydroxylase in the secretory granule of the medullary cromine cells. It is released from the adrenal medulla into the blood as a hormone and it acts as a neurotransmitter in the central nervous system and sympathetic nervous system, where it released from the neuroadrenergic neuron in the locus of Corollas. The action of norepinephrine are carried out via the binding to um, adrenergic receptors. One of the most important functions of the norepinephrine is its role as a neurotransmitter released from the sympathetic neurons to affect the heart, and increase the norepinephrine release for the sympathetic neuron, increase the rate of concentration of hearts. As a straight hormone, norepinephrine affect the part of the brain such as amygdala, whereas the attention and response are controlled. Norepinephrine also underlines the fight to fight response along the epinephrines, directly increasing the heart rate, triggerly to release the glucose from energy store and increase the blood flow to skeletal muscle. It increases the brain oxygen supply. This is all about the neurotransmitter. Various neurotransmitter we have already discussed in that lecture. Thank you everyone.